This is the letter C. There is a big C and a small c. It says, what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter C. What does it say? Good. Listen to the story. Connie, the cute caterpillar, crawled up the wall. Come on, you guys, she said to her cousins. Can't you hurry faster? Course not, said Cameron, 'cause we are creepy, crawly caterpillars. Now, let's sing along with the C song.
The letter C. I cry hooray for C, come call it out with me. Like cat, card, corn, candy cane. I cry hooray for C, come call it out with me. Can you sing it? Come on, let's go. I cry hooray for C, come call it out with me. Like cat,
cat,
card,
card,
corn,
corn,
candy cane.
candy cane.
I cry hooray for C, come call it out with me. Congratulations!
This is the letter C. This is how you write the letter C. For uppercase C, point to the skyline, fly back on the skyline, and down around to the grass line. For lowercase c, C is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line, start to fly backwards, and go down and around to the grass line. This is the letter C. There is a big C and a small c. It says, what letter is this? That's right. This is the letter C. What does it say? Good. Now look for things around the room that start with the sound of C.